Hello. I don't know if this is working or not. My chat. Ooh, can we like move her over like back here? We're gonna just I don't know. Yeah. This should be good. That should be good. That should be good. I don't know if the audio's good or not. Let's make sure my stream's online. So this time I think I set it up better. Okay. First of all, hey guys. I need to set up my stuff. Okay, so today we're making peanut butter cookies because I'm bored AF. Okay. 350 degrees. I'm not gonna forget this time. Mm, come on, come on, come on. I need the instructions. Come on, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay. So we need all-purpose flour. Flour. Baking soda. Baking powder. Butter, I'll get that in a second. We need sugar. I got this thing of sugar that's kind of empty. And then I got a new bag of sugar. Ooh, can we not be falling everywhere? Not me getting a notification. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Brown sugar. Don't worry. It's light brown sugar. Do I have enough? I think we got enough. Peanut butter. I got these. There's like no room in frame anymore for anything. An egg and vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. Now I need to get one egg. Can we move this up a little? Can we? I don't know. So now I need to get one egg. I'm tall. If I was shorter, this would be perfect. I'm 5'3". I need to get an egg and a half cup unsalted butter, but I'm not adding salt, so we're not gonna get unsalted butter because I don't have unsalted butter. So we'll just get salted butter. Okay, so one stick is a half cup. Okay. Twitch stream. It says I have one viewer. Hi, viewer. Should be fine. Okay. Let's get down to the ingredients. This is annoying. Okay. Can we move everything back here that, like, I'm not needing right now? Oh, can we also not mess with that?